What's up guys, it's Daddy Doug here. I'm back one more time. I'm going to show you this time how to tie a bow tie. It's going to be real quick and easy. I'll have you guys looking dapper in no time. Alright, if you haven't done so already, make sure to check out my other video on how to tie a necktie. The link will be right here, so go ahead and click on that, you guys, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for new and upcoming content. Alright, let's get right into it. So to tie a bow tie, I have here one of my favorite little bow ties here. So what I want to do is throw that around my neck. I'm going to flip up the collar here so we can access my neck like that. And then I'm right-handed, so I'm going to grab the bow tie with both hands, but I'll pull the left side down longer and I'll have the right side about halfway down the neck, the bow tie. And then what you want to do is take the longer side of the bow tie and wrap it over the shorter side. And right about where the bow tie starts to get fat is where you want them to cross. And then you're going to flip the longer side underneath and then up through there. And once you get it flipped, you just want to pull a little bit tight around your neck. You can even throw the long side over your shoulder because now you're just going to be working with the shorter side. Take the shorter side and rotate it towards your left and then fold in the thick part of the tie here. And what you're essentially doing is making like a flat bow tie. So you'll have the bow tie sitting right at your neck, kind of flattened, and then you'll take the longer side, which was over your shoulder, and you're going to flip that down, kind of in between the two flaps of the bow tie, like that. And then what I do here is I'll fold these two forward. You can pinch them with your left hand there. Make sure that this part is sitting in between them. And then with your right hand, if you look through the side, there's a little hole that you can poke your finger through. That's going to be the hole that you push the flap through. So right where that hole is, you're going to take the flap that's hanging and rotate it towards your right and push the thick part of the bow tie right through that hole in there until you get it halfway. And then use both your hands to grab both flaps of the bow tie on both sides. And all you have to do after that is just kind of pull the tabs, pull the flaps from side to side, side to side, until you get it nice and adjusted. And once I kind of get it adjusted here a little bit, I'm going to flip down my collar so that I can really bring it in for good measure. So I've kind of got it adjusted a little bit. I'm going to flip down my collar a little bit. And then after that, you just work it in the mirror till you get it to how you like it. And that's it. Quick and easy. It took me about a minute to do. So that's how you tie a bow tie. Like I said, check out my other video on how to tie a necktie if you want to be a little more traditional. But if you're into having fun and you want to stand out, the necktie, the classic bow tie, is the best way to go. Also, keep an eye out for other videos that I'm going to have coming out soon. A lot of creative content, a lot of how-tos, some vlogs of me and the kids, and also just some crazy antics and adventures that we get into. Again, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned with all that, and then like and give me a thumbs up. And then also, if you have any other comments about any of your favorite kind of bow ties you like to tie, or any other questions about anything I did, please leave those in the comment section below as well. Till next time, I'm Daddy Doug. Peace.